Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a credit card processing system with global payments, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a global payments account set up and ready to use. Visit the Global Payments website to access the necessary software and tools. Download the credit card processing software from the website. Open the installation file once the download is complete. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation process. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed with the installation. Choose the installation location on your computer. Click on the Install button to initiate the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installation is finished, launch the software. Log in using your Global Payments account credentials. Connect your card reader to the computer if required. Ensure your payment terminal is powered on and properly connected. Navigate to the Settings menu within the software. Configure your business details such as name and address. Input your merchant number and any necessary account information. Select your preferred payment methods and currencies. Test the connection with the card reader to ensure functionality. Conduct a test transaction to confirm everything is working correctly. Review transaction settings such as tax rates and discounts if applicable. Train your staff on how to use the system for processing payments. Monitor the system regularly for any updates or maintenance needs. Follow up with Global Payments support if you encounter any issues during setup. Maintain a secure environment for handling customer payment information. Incorporate regular backups of your transaction data for safety. Keep a record of important settings and configurations for future reference. Finally, ensure compliance with PCI DSS standards to protect customer information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.